Hello, my friends. I have some exciting, fun things to share with you right now. One is a limited edition flash sale. That means the die set is not only limited edition, meaning once it's gone forever. It's also on a flash sale. Now, we've never done that before. We've never done a flash sale item and a limited edition item as the same thing. I know, right? It's like, okay, get it and get it quick because it's even at a good price. It's like scary. Again, limited edition items, once they're gone forever. So don't think you can come see me at a future expo or a convention and say, oh, I want that limited edition one. Oh, no, no, no. Once they're gone, they're gone. They usually sell out within 24 hours. That's another reason why you want to be a club member, because club members get a 24-hour advance notice and ability to purchase those items before the general public. Club members log into your account, then go shopping, and you will see these items that are only available to club members for an extra 24-hour head start. So my club members get first crack at these items, and technically they could sell them out, just the club members. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I love this one. This is it. This is the limited edition flash. It is a heart background die that is really 3 die pieces. What do I mean? Well, let's open it up and I want to show you. Now again, this is fit. You have to get this one fast because it's limited edition. So what do I mean is this is the perfect die to go on the background of your card. So it's layer for a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. So it's just a great rectangle die, okay? That's just like the freebie. Then we have the die itself and the shadow. So what does that mean? Well, let's look at it really quick because I really want you to understand why this is so cool. Let's bring this over here and let's bring this over here. And I just have a piece of cardstock with my adhesive on the back. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to lay just this die down. So let's say this was our card base. Let's actually make a card front. Okay, so there's my card front. We're going to lay that down. And then we're going to lay this die on the inside. Let's say we're making a card front. And that looks pretty perfect to me, right? Like that. We're going to turn it a little bit at an angle. We don't want any speed bumps. We're going to lay that down and we're going to run it through. Now, this is all hearts. It is all blade. We know this is going to give us a lot of crunch, right? That's fine. But we're also going to run it back through just because we don't want to spend too much time poke, 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 poke. You could also, if you want to, use your precision base plate for this one. Now I'm going to lift this up and I have my background. Now watch this. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to give it a flick or two. Luckily, I don't have to vacuum at my house. And what you're going to see, now they all are cut out, but what you're going to see, and I don't want to spend time pulling these all out individually, but they're all cut, but you can see the heart. Now don't worry, it's all cut. I don't want you to think it's not cut, but because it has that background piece on it, they're stuck to the background, okay? Now, first of all, you get all these cute little adorable little hearts, right? And they're the perfect confetti. But wait, there's more. Because what if I say, oh, I don't want this to be my heart background, like here's a good sample of that. Look at that. Okay, this is using it as this, okay, punching out the hearts and putting different hearts in there. Gorgeous. Can you just say gorgeous, right? But let's say, oh, I changed my mind and I want it to be cut out completely. Then I'm going to get the heart that matches. I'm going to lay that on top. And of course, I'm using my magnetic platform. If you don't have the magnetic platform, get it or get some washi tape. And I'm going to lay that right on top and I'm going to run this through just like this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And here we go. So now we have the heart, and I want you to see that this is really all cut out. So I'm going to peel this up. And look, most of the pieces come with it. Give it a couple flicks. Oh, that one got all over my hand. Okay, now they're going to come out. Okay, look. So now I am having this, and look, I'm just pulling them out. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? And look, I have hearts all over my fingers. I need a piece of paper. You'd think I'd have paper in this joint, huh? I only have red right there. Well, we'll get some. Oh, here's an envelope. Did you know we sell envelopes too, by the way, for our envelope liner? Okay, so I'm going to add this. Well, let's get all those extra pieces. Look at how fun that is, though. Isn't that gorgeous? And I added little dots in there also, just to make it a little extra. Now I'm going to lay that down. We're not going to spend more time cleaning that up, but look how fun that is. Now, it could have been a background, it could have been a heart by itself, whatever. I have lots of fun samples to share with you, and I have hearts everywhere. Let's move that off to the side. Let's look at our samples. Oh, but wait, there's more because I have one more stamp set to show you. Now, don't forget, limited edition and flash sale. I mean, it's like I'm almost paying you to go get it, okay? Go get this one quick. Once it's gone forever. If you don't see this on our website and you're looking at this video for some other reason and you don't see it on our website, don't email us. That means it's gone, okay? Just a heads up. Or it means you're a club member and you're not logged in. So go log in, club members. Now, what else do I have? I also have, now, you'll remember we came out with jars to stamp for our club members and matching dies. But I had way too many stamp sets and die sets that I wanted to add to incorporate with this one. So I came up with this stamp set. It's called sayings4jar. And these little pieces are perfect to put on the jar. So treats for you, you light up my life, buzzing by to say hi, you are the bee's knees, hello, thanks. It's your birthday, you have a special place in my heart, homemade with love, goody goody gumdrops, shine bright, so happy we are friends, and thank you so much. And look at all the fun samples. Ready? Let's look at the samples. Really quick, let's do the words. So here we have, you're a keeper, open it up. So happy we are friends. I love that. Here's another one, you have a special place in my heart. Here's another one, buzzing by to say hi. You can even use it without any of the jars if you want. Look, all by itself. Now, let's look at the heart samples because you have to get these fast. And look at how fun these little pieces are. They're everywhere. I should add some to this one. Look, I can even add, I'm just gonna add that little heart right there. Love, isn't that gorgeous? Black and white and red, I love that. No pun intended. Here's one on our A2 size card. Look at how fun that is. Hello, friend. Open that up. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, right? Right? Okay, here's one. I love you, using our labels to use and our scalloped rectangles. Oh, look at this one. A true friend has your hand, what's it? Oh gosh. A true friend reaches for your hand and touches your heart. Isn't that gorgeous? Open that up. I love that with the blue. So you can do blue, here's the red. Let's hang these all up. Ooh, you could find some foil paper and use foil as well. I love how the team added in those little hearts. Look at that. I mean, I just love how the little hearts just lend themselves to go inside there as well. And sometimes you just need a lot of little hearts. Look, in the inside. Perfect, right? And on the back, Leslie added the back. Isn't that cute? Oh, here's one. Love life. Isn't that beautiful with those tie-dye colors? Oh, love it. Oh, and here's another one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is a limited edition. Once it's gone forever. So go get it quick. Go check out our online gallery. We have lots of fun samples on there, more jar samples and more heart samples, and get it before it's gone, because once it's gone forever. I once saw a sign in a store that said, shop now or cry later. That's kind of what it's gonna be. You guys are gonna email me and say, I want that die, and I'm gonna say, it's gone. Once it's gone, limited edition. Go get it now. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.